Now let's talk about the logo image on the top left here.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
This is going to come up when people see your page. This is the 172 by 172 image. And you see it also comes up when you create a post. It's going to come up as you, and that's a 40 by 40. That's a 40 pixel by 40 pixel image. What's going to happen is it's going to take your square image. Typically your image is going to be square, and it's going, when you upload the image, it's going to have you center the image, and then that centered image becomes your image. If at some point it becomes a little blurry, you can double the resolution so that when Facebook condenses it, the resolution still remains crisp. But essentially it's 172 by 172 pixels here minimum, and that's what you have to remember, and that this is going to appear as 40 by 40.